My name is Shannon Vogel. I'm a truck driver. I've been doing it for close to 10 years. I go home 3 to 4 times a year, and that's it. I could not see me sitting in an office somewhere. That's why I never, ever had an office job. I just couldn't do it. I used to be a chef. I was also a donut maker. I was a candy maker. Everything when I was little and I said I wanted to do, I figured out a way to do it. When I first started, I didn't know any women drivers. You know, I would bump into a couple here and there, but not too often. Now it's getting pretty normal now. At night, it's really dangerous for women. I pull into the fuel lanes and get out and get whatever I needed for the night. And after that, I'll not get out of the truck. Especially in the bigger lots, there's just too many places where people can jump out. I know one woman who got assaulted. She got out of her truck at night and just can't do it. But I think I would feel a whole lot more comfortable with a dog barking. I've never actually picked out a dog, ever. I'm just like so excited, I can't wait. This is my doggie! Oh my God! Oh my God, thank you. Oh my goodness. Yes, you're a perfect puppy. She's too excited to sit still. It's gonna help me feel safer at night. It's gonna keep me from going steer crazy in the truck. It'll make the day a whole lot more enjoyable. It's been about 2.5 to 3 months since the adoption for Cora. I think both of our lives has just totally changed. I really do. I'm always upbeat. I've lost weight, and yeah, it's just totally positive. I feel a whole lot safer now because I know she's on guard, always. She's like the perfect co-pilot, I would say. You know, I have her by my side. I know she's watching everything. Somebody opened my door by mistake and her hair rose up, she barked, she growled. I'm like, dang, nobody's coming in this truck. She's always there for me. Gotta be always there for her.